Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to insert memory card in Redmi A5. So to do this, you have just to take your phone and take it from the left side, not from the right side, and take the SIM ejector tool. This tool that you will find in the box of your phone. And after that, as you can see, there is a small hole there, and you put that SIM ejector tool and you push a little bit in that hole. And as you can see, we have that SIM card like holder tool and also memory card tool. You take it out, and after that you can put your memory card here in that place, and after that directly put that SIM card holder into his place and push a little bit inside your phone, and like that you can insert your memory card in your Redmi A5. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.